Hey everyone! Is your dining table looking a little less than its best after a great meal? Don't worry, I'm here to show you a super quick way to get it looking beautiful and shiny again in just a minute. First, grab a dry cloth and just sweep away all those crumbs and bits of food. Easy, right? Next, for any sticky spots or stains, mix a little bit of mild soap with some warm water. Take a cloth, dip it in, and gently wipe those marks away. It works like a charm. After that, rinse your cloth in clean water, wring it out, and give the table a quick wipe to remove any soap residue. Then grab a soft, dry towel and buff the surface until it's completely dry and streak-free. If you have a wooden table, here as a bonus tip for a gorgeous glow, apply a small amount of wood polish and buff it in gently with a clean cloth. Look at that beautiful, fresh shine. And there you have it, a perfectly clean table ready for your next gathering. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time.